So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is a very important video. If you miss this, you lose your swags and you lose your credentials also. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and to hype the video. Now this is a very important video which many people are reporting that they are getting fake emails regarding the registrations of the Arcade Facilitator program. First of all, I want to clarify that whatever information will be there, I will update it. Do not worry about it. And the registration has not been started yet. Okay, whatever email you are getting that the event starts from 12 January, 10 January, or 7 January, ignore that email and block the sender as soon as possible. Second important thing, I'm not sharing the details of that person because I don't want to just create any controversy. But the important thing you need to understand, do not rely on any fake form. How will identify the fake form and what is the complication for it? First, I will show you a demo. So if you see, this is a rough demo of a form. Many people just replicate any form and just create a fake demo of the form so that it looks like real, like your registration is being done in the Arcade Facilitator or Arcade program, or you are even claiming the swag as the price counter will open. So many people will do these kind of things. So how you can verify? You have to come to the bottom and you can clearly see this content is neither created nor endorsed by Google. So it is an unofficial form. You can just scroll down and check it out. Okay. And whatever details are shared in this channel are authentic and cross verified from the Arcade team. So you can just follow it. So this is a fake form. Now, if Arcade for registration opens, how will find the genuine form? So whenever you open any form, you can just scroll down. You can see this form is created inside google.com. So if you think it's a genuine form, okay. So this is the quick thing I wanted to share. As the price counter is open, will be open. Sorry, it's not open. Will be open. You can clearly see this is the video. I'll link it. You need to watch it to make sure that you are getting the price. And second important thing, many people during that time will be circulating some emails that price counter is open. Even many people have got your emails also. I don't know how you are reporting that we are getting emails regarding price also. So do not just click on any links or share any information over there. Whatever information will be shared, I will share whenever the counter opens. It will be opening in January. Exact date is not revealed, so kindly wait for it till the price counter opens. And till then, watch this video and do not fill your details. Even if it shows for swags, do not fill any details. Make sure you are filling only genuine forms. And price counter is not open yet. Do not hurry. Your months of efforts, like even if you have 95 points, anyone will steal within few seconds. So please wait and watch. And whenever I will post a video how to claim the swags, then only claim the swags, because there is no limitation. If you have participated, you will be getting the swags 100%. So do not hurry. Okay. Now this was the quick thing, and this I wanted to share because many participants were reporting that I have got the registration email. Please make a video on how to register in the Arcade program. I have got the email from Google itself. So people are impersonating this. This is very bad thing. So please take care of yourself, and for any query you can reach out to me. And if you want to know about other events, you can explore the channel. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do not share your personal details to anyone.